Hey, Stephen here. Brandon and I are in Acapulco this morning. We took the 4.5-hour bus from Zihuatanejo yesterday late afternoon. We are on our way to get breakfast, and then for the rest of the day we're just going to walk around and give you a tour of the city. Yesterday afternoon when we arrived, we found this restaurant, El Napalito, and we had enchiladas and it was excellent. We met a guy by the name of Roberto, and he was super friendly, really nice, and we decided that we would come back here this morning and try out their breakfast. So here we are. So this morning we've ordered the huevo ranchero Mexican breakfast. Gonna be yummy. Wash it all down with some fresh squeezed orange juice. What's that? So the rancheros came, my camera was turned off, and I wasn't able to record it. We inhaled it, starving. It was delicious. Breakfast is over. We're just gonna walk down to the pier area, just kind of give you a quick view of the bay. That's just a quick view of the bay from about a 2-minute walk from our Airbnb. We'll take you on a more in-depth walk probably in the next couple of days. Brandon just brought to my attention that he has no clean laundry, so we're gonna go back now, collect all our dirty clothes, and head to the laundromat. So we're back at our little Airbnb place. I'm gonna show you how we get our laundry together. So I start by laying out a big sheet, and then we'll put all of our laundry into the middle of the sheet and then tie the 4 corners together and turn it into a little sack. And once the clothes are in the center of the sheet and it's all tied up, this is what you get. So we went to the laundromat that was around the corner from us, and it turned out to be a laundry service. That's not what we're really looking for. So we jumped in a taxi and went a few miles up the street. And now we are looking for the laundromat on foot. There was no direct street to get there, and the taxi driver had no idea what we were talking about. So we just got dropped off within close proximity, and now we're gonna walk and see if we can find it. Oh, fuck. Yeah, that's pretty cool. I think it's up this way on the left. Found it. Hola. So now we got to figure out how to get change and how to work these machines. All right, so we got soap, cha-ching, and 2 machines that we're gonna load up. Just getting Brando here to undo everything. It's laundry time. It's 180 degrees in here, it feels. We're gonna try to go to the store and maybe get a cerveza or 2 while we wait for our clothes to clean up. These bad boys are just spinning away. So the clothes are out of the wash, and now we're in the furnace room. Gonna try to find a dryer to dry these bad boys. Not sure which one we're gonna use, so I'm gonna find out. Our clothes are in the dryer. Laundry's all dried. We've just set it out on the table here, and in our cart we put our blanket down and then put the folded laundry in the center of the cart. Once it's all done, we're going to tie the corners and away we go. So laundry's all folded, ready to go. We're going to head out, find a cab, go back to the Airbnb.